Hello and happy Thursday. Today I have another common pronunciation mistake to talk about. To introduce this mistake, we need to talk about voiced and unvoiced sounds. If a sound is voiced, you use your voice to make that sound. You can feel it coming from here in your throat. If a sound is not voiced, then it is just air coming out of your mouth. It's shaped by your mouth, tongue, and lips, but your voice is not used. Let's look at some examples of voiced and unvoiced sounds. These will all be a final consonant sound of a word. A consonant is any letter that is not a vowel. I will say the voiced word first, then the unvoiced version of that same word. Ready? Bed, bet. Dog, dock. Cab, cap. Bag, back. Leave, leaf. Bad, bat. Rise, rice. Let's look at these again. Bed, d. You're using your voice. Bet, t. You're not using your voice. It's just air. D, t. So the common mistake of English language learners here is to not voice an end consonant sound. So instead of saying bed, you don't voice the D and you end up saying bet. Dog, g, that's voiced. Dock, k, that is not voiced. You're not using your voice. Cab, b, voiced. Cap, p, just air, no voice. Bag, g, voiced. Back, k, no voice. Leave, v, that's voiced. Leaf, f, just air, no voice. Bad, we already talked about that one. D, you're using your voice. Bat, t, no voice. And rise, z, voiced. Rice, s, no voice. Can you hear the difference? Can you produce the different sounds? Let's try one more time. Repeat after me. Bed, bet. Dog, dock. Cab, cap. Bag, back. Leave, leaf. Bad, bat. Rise and rice. Okay, watch this reel again to keep practicing. You are doing great. I believe in you. Do you believe in you? You really should. Keep going, keep going, keep going. I'll see you next week.